Good morning, dear student, and Jai Gurudev to you all. Student, today we will continue chapter 6, The Animal Kingdom. In last class, dear student, we studied page number 36. Okay, and I also explained the content of this page to you. Today we will continue this and start from shy animals. There are many animals who run away when any human approaches them. They do not want to be friendly with humans. ऐसे बहुत सारे एनिमल होते हैं बच्चे, जब हम उनके पास अप्रोच करते हैं, उनके पास जाते हैं, तब वो वहाँ से चले जाते हैं. वो ह्यूमन बीइंग के साथ, इंसानों के साथ वो फ्रेंडली नहीं होना चाहते. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपने स्क्वेरल देखा होगा, गिलहरी. आपके छत में, आपके गार्डन में, आंगन में आपने देखा होगा कि गिलहरी आती है ट्रीज से, जो भी नट्स ग्रेन जो होते हैं खाते हैं. मगर जैसे ही आप उनको अप्रोच करते हैं, आप उनके पास जाते हैं, वो गिलहरी, वो स्क्वेरल वहाँ से चली जाती है. ओके, यू मस्ट हैव सीन स्क्वेरल इन अ गार्डन. When we go near to squirrel, they run away because they feel shy. आपके छत में गिलहरी आती होगी, गार्डन में आती होगी, और जब आप उनके पास जाते हैं तो वो वहाँ से तुरंत इमीडिएटली चले जाते हैं. ऐसा वो इसलिए करते होंगे क्योंकि वो शाय फील करते होंगे आपसे. ओके, इफ वन गोज नियर टू टॉर्टॉइस, दे retreat into the hard shell that around their body. देखिए, ये टॉर्टॉइस है, और आपको क्या पता है कि टॉर्टॉइस के बॉडी में, आउटर एरिया में एक हार्ड शेल होता है. जब कोई भी इंसान टॉर्टॉइस के पास जाता है, तब वो टॉर्टॉइस क्या करता है, अपना जो हेड पार्ट है अपने शेल के अंदर लेके चले जाता है. ओके, द रैबिट इज ऑल्सो अ शाय एंड क्वाइट एनिमल दैट फ्रीज एंड स्टे स्टिल व्हेन इट थिंक दैट somebody has seen it. ओके, आपने रैबिट को भी देखा होगा. रैबिट भी क्या होता है, ये एक शाय एनिमल है. ओके, जब भी हम उसके पास जाते हैं तो वो स्टिल पोजीशन में हो जाता है, वो फ्रीज हो जाता है. ओके, दोज हु प्रेफर हाइड, डियर स्टूडेंट, व्हेन वी गो नियर टू देम, when human beings go near to them, they are considered as shy animals. And different example of shy animal, dear student, are squirrel, rabbit, tortoise, etc. Again I am repeating, shy animal, those animal who prefer to hide or stay away from us when we go near to them. They are known as shy animal. ऐसे एनिमल जिसके पास जब हम जाते हैं तो वो हमसे दूर रहना चाहता है, वो वहाँ से भाग जाता है या छुप जाता है. ऐसे एनिमल को बच्चों हम क्या कहते हैं, शाय एनिमल कहते हैं. और डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल of shy animal, dear student, are squirrel, rabbit, tortoise. Okay, There are two more examples of shy animal. See, hedgehogs and porcupines are extremely shy animal. They roll themselves into pricky ball when they feel scared. Extremely means, dear student, very much. Hedgehogs and the dear student porcupines, these two are other example of shy animals. They roll in form of a pricky ball when they are scared from us. We should not tease or hurt shy animal, because in this way they will never become our friend. हमें कभी भी किसी भी शाय एनिमल्स को, फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्क्वेरल, रैबिट, टॉर्टॉइस, हेजॉग्स, पर्क्यूपाइंस, इनको कभी भी हमें परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके, इन्हें टीस नहीं करना चाहिए, इन्हें चोट नहीं पहुंचानी चाहिए. यदि हम इनके साथ कुछ रॉन्ग करेंगे बच्चों, तो ये कभी भी हमारे फ्रेंड्स नहीं बनेंगे. Student, start reading. Friendly animals. Some animals are friendly by nature. If you give them food, they will immediately come forward to eat it. Pigeons, cows, dogs are generally friendly by nature. Farm animals like pigs, hens, ducks are also friendly animals. They are not afraid of people. They move around the farm. Dolphins are friendly sea creature. Dear student, some animals are shy, whereas some animals are friendly to human beings. Different examples of friendly animals are cow, dogs, then farm animal like pig, hen, ducks, sea creature like dolphin. All these, dear student, are example of friendly animals. Dear student, friendly animals are those animals who like the company of human being. They like to move near the human beings. Okay. आप सबने बच्चों अपने घर के आसपास देखा होगा, जब आप बाहर जाते हैं तब कुछ ऐसे एनिमल्स होते हैं जो आपके आसपास आके घूमना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब आप बाहर जाते होंगे और यदि कोई डॉग्स आपके सोसाइटी में रहता है तो वो आपके पास आके अपने टेल को मूव करने लगता है. सिमिलरली हम अपने हाउस के रूफ में पिजन्स को देख सकते हैं जो कि हमारे आसपास रहते हैं और हमारे रूफ से यदि कुछ ग्रेन से होंगे तो उसे छाट के खाते हैं. आपने देखा होगा काउस आपके घर के गेट के पास आके कई बार खड़ी रहती हैं, आप उसे इनविटेशन नहीं देते और ना ही बोलते हैं कि आप आइए, मगर ये काउस हैं या फिर इस तरह के एनिमल जो होते हैं हमारे घर के आसपास हमें दिखाई देते हैं और ये हमारी कंपनी को लाइक करते हैं। डियर स्टूडेंट, दोज एनिमल who are friendly by nature, who come immediately in contact or close to the human being, they are considered as friendly animal. And different example of friendly animals are pigeons, cows, dogs, pigs, hens, ducks, dolphin, etc. Dear student. Now student, turn the page. Adaptation in animals. Okay. Adaptation, ADAPTATION, adaptation in animals. The surrounding in which the animal lives are called its habitat. Means human being जिस सराउंडिंग में रहते हैं, एनिमल जिस सराउंडिंग में रहते हैं, उस सराउंडिंग को हम हैबिटेट कहते हैं। द एबिलिटी टू एडजस्ट टू ओन सराउंडिंग इज कॉल्ड एडेप्टेशन। और एनिमल्स की ये प्रॉपर्टी कि वो जिस सराउंडिंग में रहते हैं उस सराउंडिंग को वो एडजस्ट कर सके, दैट इज एडेप्टेशन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल डियर स्टूडेंट, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कैमल डिजर्ट एरिया में रहते हैं। इन डिजर्ट एरिया टेम्परेचर इज हाई। ओके, सो these creatures develop some adaptive feature in themselves which help them to survive them in that particular conditions. Animals adapt to their environment in order to survive. Many places such as the cold mountains, thick forests, salty oceans, etc. serve as habitats for different animals. Unless an animal has some features that help it to live in that condition, it will die soon. Student, now we will study about adaptation in animal. किसी भी एनिमल में कि ये प्रॉपर्टी रहे कि वो अपने जो सराउंडिंग के जो क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन है उसमें एडजस्ट कर पाए, दैट इज एडेप्टेशन. स्टूडेंट, द प्लेस वेयर वी लिव, it is considered as our habitat, and property of any animal to adjust themselves in that particular habitat, it is known as adaptation. Now student, begins with adaptation in animal. The surrounding in which an animal live are called habitat. The ability to adjust one's surrounding is called adaptation. हम जिस सराउंडिंग में रहते हैं बच्चों, वो हमारा हैबिटेट कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ह्यूमन बीइंग लिव इन लैंड. ओके, तो दोज एनिमल हु लिव इन लैंड, दे आर having a property to exist in terrestrial habitat. Those animal who live in water, they having a property to adjust the aquatic habitat. Some animals like birds fly in sky and they are exist in aerial habitat. Dear student, ability of any animals to adapt that habitat, किसी भी एनिमल की ये प्रॉपर्टी कि वो उस हैबिटेट को जहाँ पे वो रहता है उसे अडेप्ट कर सके, that is adaptation. You have seen camel who live in desert area. What is the climatic condition of desert? Yes, desert are very hot. There is scarcity of the rain. Okay, there is a sandy wind which is blowing in that particular area. So camels who are existing in that part having a property to adjust all that climatic conditions. For example, they are having thick layer of skin to tolerate the heat. Their feet are padded and long to protect themselves from the heat of the sun. They are having thick lashes on their eyes to protect themselves from sun particles. They are having hump to store fat. In their stomach, they are capable to store water for 1 month. Okay, all these adaptive features help camel to survive in hot and dry habitat. Similarly, polar bear, dear student. Polar bear is a white creature's animal looking like it is also a type of bear which is found in polar regions. Its color is white. They are having thick layer of hairs in their body. Under that layer, they are having a thick coating of fat. These fat, dear student, protect themselves from cold climate because they act as an insulator and not allow their body heat to escape out. The hair present in their body keep themselves warm. The color of the hair is white, which help them to save themselves from their predators. Okay, they are having strong sense of smell to catch their prey. So we can say that, dear student, what is adaptation? Adaptation, it is a property by which any animal adjusts to its one's surrounding. Now we begin with chapter reading. Animals adapt to their environment in order to survive. Many places such as cold mountains, thick forest, salty oceans, etc. serve as habitat for different animals. Unless an animal has some features that help to live in that condition, it will be die soon. Dear student, there are different type of habitat like forest, salty oceans, mountain, etc. And animals who are existing on that particular habitat, they are having some adaptive features which enable them to survive on that particular condition. Otherwise, they will die. For survival, animals like polar bear live in extremely cold regions. They have thick fur on their body. And a thick layer of skin inside to keep themselves warm. Do you think their mother can knit a sweater for little bear to keep them warm? Dear student, it is not possible that polar bear mother knit means make a sweater for them. So what happened? Due to the cold, if their mother are not able to making sweater for them, they will die. But it doesn't happen. Polar bear having some adaptation in themselves which help them to survive in that particular condition. For example, they are having thick layer of skin in their body. They are having thick coating of hair or the furs on their bodies. These things keep their body, dear student, warm. Camels live in extremely hot desert. Their thick skin protect them from sun. As desert have almost no water, camel have an ability to store fat in their hump and water in their stomach for long time to survive themselves.